I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing posture and workspace so your hands can move freely. Position the screen at eye level and bring the keyboard to a comfortable reach. This reduces shoulder strain and keeps wrists neutral. Once done, set the laptop on a stable surface or low stand and make small keyboard angle changes until your forearms are parallel to the floor. Use an external keyboard or mouse if you expect long sessions, because that separates hand positioning from screen height and prevents fatigue. You now focus on practical hand placement and motion to type efficiently and comfortably. Place your index fingers on F and J and let thumbs hover over the spacebar. This establishes a reliable home row. From there, use a light touch and shallow keystrokes to reduce impact and speed up typing. Make sure to move your whole hand when reaching outward rather than overextending individual fingers. This distributes effort and keeps tendons happy. Once you get the rhythm, breathe, maintain short breaks, and adjust grip as needed. You finish by locking in sustainable habits and a simple troubleshooting move. After each hour, take a 5 to 10 minute break and perform wrist and shoulder stretches to reset circulation and muscle tension. Make small input adjustments. Lower trackpad sensitivity or tweak keyboard tilt for greater control and less force. If you feel persistent pain or numbness, stop immediately and rest. Reduce keystroke force, and consider switching to an external keyboard or mouse as a quick fix to avoid injury and maintain productivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.